Today, we especially welcome President Uhuru Kenyatta and his delegation from the Jubilee Party. They are here to extend fraternal greetings to us, but also to extend fraternal relations between the people of South Africa and the people of Kenya. And this for us is important, as Kenya and the people of Kenya are an important partner to ourselves as South Africans and as South Africa. And we hope that with this visit, we will continue to deepen the relationship and strengthen the bonds between our two parties and the peoples of Kenya and South Africa. President Kenyatta, we are humbled by your presence here, Honorable President, and we thank you for being here.
Oliver Tambo.
We have a lot to learn from a country like Kenya. Kenya has been able to develop its agricultural sector, and we can learn a lot from what the Kenyans have done, and that is why we applauded the presence of President Kenyatta here, because with him and his delegation here, we believe that we can learn a lot and begin the process of increasing our agricultural production.
Mandela,